So while she's opening that, I'll just open this James Harden pop figure. Now you'll see.
Okay, I opened the purple, green, blue, and orange. Hopefully, Mila doesn't get
So guys, we got the James Harden pop figure. Look at his hair. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna put him back in the box. Just wanted to show you this, but here's James Harden.
orange. We have orange out. Circle. And I'm gonna take out green because I'm gonna give the blue to my brother. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna mix them all together.
Okay, put it back in. Now I'm gonna show you 4 Michael Jordan basketball cards. Okay. This is rookie Michael Jordan. See the USA? It says it right there in the bottom.
I
Right
already
here.
mixed it together.
And we got the USA Michael Jordan card.
USA.
We got the 1989 Michael Jordan for the USA the NBA All-Star game, and the 1991 championship, Chicago Bulls. And I have a magazine. Yeah. So that's cool. Now what we've all been waiting for, or what I've been waiting for, because I really want to open this up,
Yes.
is the Kyrie Irving Uncle Drews. So
Ooh, this is so cool.
oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Look at this
yeah.
bottom. Look at this. Look at this.
This is like really hard to open.
This is so awesome.
Comment down below what's your favorite Jordan shoe.
This is Kyrie Irving. It's not Michael Jordan, it's Kyrie Irving. Uncle Drews. The Uncle Drews. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
You have like a bright orange, so I say neon.
Yeah, look at this. Mwah. It's awesome. Okay, guys. I have the other shoe, yes, but I want to take it out. Because then I'm going to ruin them, and I don't want to ruin my shoes. So, let me help you. Okay.
Okay, guys, we're not done with the video, so I can't get this out.
There you go. Okay. Alright,
And some of these have like little sparkles, glitter.
So, yeah, I got Kyrie Irving, James Harden pop figure itself, my bad. And the Michael Jordan cards. I don't know, I showed you.
Like how this is so cool.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna help Mia for now.
Can you help me? You can unbox whatever color you see there. I'm gonna unbox the yellow.
The green. This is super hard. How did you get them open?
Okay, here's one.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. It's not working?
Here, wait. Here, just pass them to me.
Yay. Yay.
Make sure there's no left.
I want to mix it. Okay, there's nothing left.
Okay, that's yours.
And this is mine.
He doesn't want to mix it.
I don't want to mix it. I like mine. Because if I do, I'm going to have to get mixed with pink. That looks like the Nerds candy.
Nerds. This is like a code, guys. We have pink, yellow.
Make it into a cube.
I don't think so.
Just try it. Oh,
I
it
don't
opened
think
perfectly.
so.
It opened perfectly.
Like how? Oh, like the mold. Say where the mold is.
Okay, guys. So
Okay, so you do.
that was our quick little unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching, and tell me what's your favorite basketball shoe, your favorite collectible, and your favorite magazine. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, and let me show you Mila.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
So Mila. Okay.
This is my slime. Well, it's not like basically slime, but
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Subscribe. Comment down below. What is your favorite shoe, collectible, and magazine, and
and
basketball
we'll do a
cards?
video later when we go in the pool. But I don't know about today. Maybe maybe this some next week.
So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.